This is Vizio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send high quality media on WhatsApp Business. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you tired of the low quality images and videos that you're forced to upload on your WhatsApp status or send to your friends? Don't worry, I've got an easy solution for you. You can just follow this step by step in this video about how to upload high quality media like image or photos to your WhatsApp. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our WhatsApp. Now you have set the settings on your WhatsApp business. You can go to setting by tapping on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now you can just scroll down and you can choose on storage and data. And from here you'll find option media upload quality. By default, your media upload quality is on standard quality. It will send faster to send smaller file size but with the standard quality. But if you want to send with high quality media, you can just choose on HD quality. So it may be slower to send, can be 6 times larger, but the quality is on the high definition, high quality. Now you can just tap on save. So whenever you send media like photos or videos to your friends, the quality will be on the HD or high definition. And also when you upload status on your WhatsApp, it's very simple, right? So that is how to send high quality media on WhatsApp Business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.